This is Anne. She is a millennial who just bought her first house. Anne submits a request to her utility provider to set up the power through her self-service portal. According to the company, the service will be set up within the next 3 days. Anne is concerned. The crew is delayed and she still has no power in her home. As she doesn't find any information regarding the order status in the portal, she is about to call the provider. After a long wait on the phone, the customer service representative tells Anne her request is registered but is not assigned to any crew. Anne gets mad and registers a complaint. These type of issues occur because companies do not have a holistic solution that manage a commercial and operational processes. This causes them to have multiple integrations between their systems. The lack of a holistic solution has negative impacts on customer satisfaction and company KPIs. Anne had a bad day. With Open SmartFlex, Anne can request a new service and verify the status of her orders. The utility informs her new service will be set up in 1 day. This holistic solution allows utility companies to manage and solve customer requests swiftly. Open SmartFlex not only simplifies customers' lives, but also the utility operations. It manages commercial and operational processes of service providers on a single platform. It generates benefits like sales growth, complaint reduction, increase of operational efficiency, and increased customer satisfaction. Anne is now enjoying her new electric service and is delighted with the utility service. Anne had a good day.